Another video. In this video we're going to discuss about how you can fix invalid parameter given a valid dollar file temp name is expected. So I was working in one project, so I got this error. So I was thinking why most of the people facing same issue. So in my local I was working, I was trying to upload the pictures but I got this error. So how you can fix this problem? So what I have done, might be the some issues from the version in local I got, right? So no need to change in the server. If something properly working in your server, so don't need to change here, right? So what I have done, you need to open the uploaded.php file, right? So where you can get this file, I will also add here, I forget to add the line where you can get. So once you get where you get, let me show the real example. This is my file which is a uploader.php. I will give you the path also, like you can see here, the vendor Magento framework file uploader.php, right? So here in 589 line this validations is there, right? So if array is validate file, then we getting the id and here. So right, so what you can do, you just comment this file, and what you need to do, you need to compile and upgrade two command after the changes. You need to run this two command, right? Then what you can do, you can clear the cache. So this way you can do that, right? Everything's I already added, right? So if you have any confusion right now during this process, so let me know. You can also add in the comment section. Definitely I will try to give you the whatever you're facing, I will try to resolve your problem, right? And one more thing, if you're looking the good domain and hosting plan something, right? So you can go the domain.com website, and here you can check as per you need the hosting plan, right? Basic, professional, silver and advanced. In basic you will get the 59 rupees per month plan, which is a 1 GB SSD storage and 10 email IDs, 5 GB bandwidth, live at speed technology, right? The main important things is there. You can contact with the 24/7. They will guide you which service for you. So you can give the example how many website you have and what your requirement. Basically you can tell them, definitely they will guide you which plan suitable for your business, right? So this is my personal experience, guys. That's I'm sharing with you, and you can talk with them. If any other help you need, let me know. Definitely I will try to create another video for you. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe this channel.